Good morning, students. This is your practical period, and today we are going to have practical number 3, experiment number 3, and the aim for the same is to study the reproductive system in hibiscus flower. Apparatus: we should have one hibiscus flower. We need a forceps, blade, simple microscope. Now, as you can see in the diagram, we had also studied in the theory the different parts of the flower, but here we are going to study only the reproductive part, but still we are going to revise all the parts of the flower. The outermost part of the flower, that is green in color, is called as the calyx. This is the calyx. It is made up of single unit called as sepal, and it is green in color. The inner to that is the second whorl, which is corolla. It is colorful. The colorful single unit is called as the petal. Then comes the main important reproductive parts of the hibiscus flower. They are two. One is androecium, that is the male reproductive part, and the single unit is called as the anther. And second is gynoecium, which is the female reproductive part, and the single unit is called as pistil or carpel. Now in the diagram you can see this is the stigma, style and ovary. Now I'll show you. This is the center one is the gynoecium, that is the female reproductive part. The basal part, the swollen part is called as ovary. This part is called as ovary. This is style, and the upper one bifurcated little swollen part is called as the stigma. These are the stamens. This is the androecium, single unit is called as the stamen. It consists of two parts. The upper one sac-like structure is called as anther lobe, and the lower stem-like structure is called as the filament. So this is the male reproductive part of the flower. Now in the observation table, as you can see, the whorls are given, number of components are given, structure and function. Some of these are given and some we have to write on our own. So the first one, calyx, number of components 5. The structure is green sepals, and the function we have to write is to protect in bud condition, that is the first function, and the second function is helps in photosynthesis as it is green in color. Second one is corolla. The number of components are same, 5, and the single unit is called as petals and it is red in color, and the functions are first one to attract insects, second is to protect the reproductive parts. Third one is androecium, which is the male reproductive part. The numbers is innumerable and the single unit is called as stamen, and the structure is anther. Function is to produce pollen grains which contains male gamete. Fourth one is gynoecium. Only one single unit is there and it is called as carpel, and the functions are pollination and fertilization. Then the next is inference or conclusion. The first one is fill in the blanks. Dash from flower is male whorl while dash is the female whorl. Just now I have explained you androecium from flower is male whorl while gynoecium is female whorl. Okay. Then let's start with the multiple choice questions. The first one is dash and dash are the essential whorls. It is androecium and gynoecium. I have not tick marked gynoecium, so you have to tick mark this gynoecium also. By mistake it was left. So androecium and gynoecium. Second is dash is not unisexual flower, that is papaya. Third one, the process of union of male gamete with egg cell is called as fertilization. Fourth one, second male gamete unites with two polar nuclei to form endosperm. Fifth one, after fertilization, dash develops into seed and dash into fruit. So first, after fertilization, embryo sac develops into seed and ovary into fruit. Now the exercise, different questions are given. We had this lesson as theoretical part also. So you have to write the answers on your own. All these answers are given directly in the textbook. Okay. So with this we finish with experiment number 3. See that you complete the journals immediately. Okay. Thank you.